One thing missing from the Acura ILX from factory is a wireless charger. This is how you install one on a 2014 Acura ILX. And this will also work on all models from 2013 to 2021. Installation is really straightforward. All you'll need is two basic tools, a Phillips screwdriver and a trim removal tool, and of course the wireless charger. We'll start by removing the shifter bezel by pulling upwards. Then use the trim tool to unclip the center console. Now shift your car to neutral and disconnect the 3 plugs. The center console cannot be removed and placed to the side. Afterwards, unscrew the side panel, followed by pressing on the top right corner of the cubby and pulling on the side panel to release the final clip. And lastly, remove the rubber mat. After removing everything from the center console, thread the wireless charger harness through this hole and secure it by using the double-sided tape. Make sure to route the wireless harness through the side, avoiding any moving parts. To connect the wireless charger, unplug the cigarette lighter and connect the terminal splitters as shown. Then reconnect the cigarette lighter. Connect the wireless charger by connecting the red positive connector on top and the black negative connector on the side. Finally, reassemble everything. Once you're done, you'll have a wireless charger that looks like it came straight from the factory. Charger will fit most phones, including the iPhone Pro Max, and the charging pad also has a non-slip rubber surface to prevent your phone from moving while driving. You can purchase this wireless charger in other Acura products by visiting 76designs.com.